have visited China many, many times. Maybe about 50 times. I went to China for the first time in 1974. Totally different. Impressed by millions of people driving a bicycle. And I was also impressed by the people who lived a simple life, but they were happy. Because they believed that China was better under the Communist Party. This is what impressed me about China. The love for your country, the pride, the belief that they are going to succeed. Every time I go to China, I see a change. Every time I go to China, I see progress. The people are healthier, they are richer. You have proved yourself by results. If the Communist Party was not good, why is it that China is the second most powerful economy in the world? It was the Communist Party. The Chinese people are disciplined. Chinese people respect the Communist Party. The Chinese people believe in their country. So I think that China has a great future. So the emergence of China as a very large country in the world, I think that was already something which showed that the world would change. Take for example Africa.
Yeah.
Who was first in Africa? China.
Yes.
Who is helping now the poor countries with the vaccine?
Yes.
Not the West, but China.
Yes.
China, in my view, do not help other countries to dominate them. But their philosophy is peace. China helped us without strings attached, never asked anything from us. I think that the future of the relations between Malta and China are very strong.